what's up guys, today I'll be doing some 3x3 walkthrough solves. One thing I wanted to say is that I solve white cross and I use the CFOP method. The scrambles will be in the description down below and you can follow along. So let's start by putting white on top and green in front, and let's do the scramble. So here is the scramble. I can see that this one is already matched up and this one just needs to do one move. So what my first move would be is to put this down here. Then I would move this so that it lines up and then turn it to the bottom. Now this is here, so I turn it around and now I have the cross and just have to do a D2 to align it. My first pair would be this one, and it's easy, so I can just pair it up like that. The next pair I see is this one, so I just pair them up like that. And then it's this one, and then I see this one. So here I have a dot case. I don't know the full OLL, so I just do this one. Then I have that one, and I have a J-perm. Now let's move on to the next scramble. So here I have this scramble, and in this case I can see that I just have to move this one down here and this one down here, so that I just later have to do this to align them. This one is just one move away, so this is a pretty easy cross. I just do this, put this one down and then align it. Then this is my first pair. Then I directly see these two. Then I saw that one. And I was tracking these two, so directly in there. Here I have an L case. And I have an E-perm. Let's move on to the last scramble. So this is a scramble, and this is pretty similar to the last scramble. What I have to do is move this one down, put this one like this, and then align it, put this one like this, then put that in there. Then I see this pair. Then I would see this pair is already made, so I can just put that in. Then I saw this two. And then I saw these two. There's if well done. I have this OL case that I actually know. And I can already foresee that there's a bar over there. And so I just do a J-perm. For all of the walkthrough solves, I hope they helped, and see you next time.